Hey, what is going on YouTube? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set parental controls on your TikTok application, especially if you have a child which is using this app on their device. I'm going to show you guys how to set restrictions so basically they can't abuse the application and they won't see what they are not supposed to see on TikTok. So first things first, let's launch TikTok and let me show you guys where to go about finding this. So you need to go to your profile and you need to click the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. So the dots would be found there here. So you need to click those dots and you need to look for digital well-being. You could find it right here, digital well-being. So let's click on that. And as you can see, we have two options here. We have restricted mode and we have screen time management. So we'll launch into screen time management and I'll show you guys what that is all about. So basically, screen time management, this is basically to set a limit to your watch time. So when the limit is reached, a passcode is required to keep using TikTok and you can turn screen time management on and off anytime. So basically, this will allow you to set a limit for whichever device or TikTok account you want. So once this is on and whoever is using TikTok, it will basically time out after a set time, and the time limit are 40 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. So you could set any one of these as the limit. You could turn this on and it will ask you to set a passcode. So once you've set a passcode, you would basically have control over TikTok in a sense, whereas if someone is using the device, especially a child, you could set this for 1 hour and basically that would be the amount of time they have to watch TikTok videos, and then they will require you to basically input the password so they could continue watching TikTok. And then the restricted mode basically limits content that may not be appropriate for some users, especially the younger audience. So basically this is pretty useful to have. So the restricted mode alongside the screen time management are two useful tools which would basically give you control over TikTok whenever a younger child or a child is using this application. So if you want to set parental controls on TikTok, this is the way to do it: the screen time management and restricted mode. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hope you can implement these methods whenever you are basically using TikTok or you have a child using TikTok. You could implement these methods to have greater control over that. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if it worked. Hacker 007 out.